हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं सर्कल चैप्टर के 10th के सर्कल चैप्टर की बी एक्सरसाइज के कुछ नेक्स्ट सम्स सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। 17 बी एक्सरसाइज, उसका मैं 6th सम सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। ठीक है। इन द रेगुलर पेंटागन दे हैव गिवन ए रेगुलर pentagon means five-sided figure. Okay, regular means in which all the sides are equal, means five equal sided figure. Okay, A B C D E inscribed in a circle. Inscribed in a circle. Okay, means within a circle one pentagon is inscribed, means a five-sided figure is drawn inside the circle. Okay, this is a circle. Suppose this is the center of the circle. A, B, C, D, E. Suppose here is O. Okay, it is a regular pentagon, means all the sides of this pentagon are equal. Means they are making equal angle at the center of the circle. Means AOB is equal to BOC is equal to COD is equal to DOE is equal to EOA. Okay, all these angles will be equal. And all these angles will be equal to, that means because AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EA. Therefore, what will happen? AOB will be equal to BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle DOE is equal to angle EOA. Each angle will be of 360 degree by 5. That means 72 degree. Okay, means each side of the pentagon, which is the chord of the circle. Okay, so stand 72 degree at the center of the circle. What they have asked next? Find ratio of angle EDA is to angle ADC. Okay, this you need to find. EDA. Okay, EDA. This angle you need to find. This one. EDA this side. Let me check the statement first. EDA ADC. Okay. This one. ED means for that I will have to join this one, A and D. Okay. EDA. What would be this much of angle? This you need to calculate. Okay. So this angle, ठीक है, ये किस कोड से स्टैंड किया गया है? A and E से. See it very carefully. D पे जो एंगल बना है, that is subtended by the chord AE. Okay. A और E से एक इस पे भी सेंटर सॉरी एंगल बनता है ना सेंटर पे भी. ठीक है. EOA. ठीक है, मीन्स ये भी एंगल हमें पता है, ये एंगल पता है. दिस इज 72 डिग्री. देन व्हाट वुड बी दिस एंगल एट द सेंटर and angle at any point on the remaining circumference of the circle. What is the relation? AOE is equal to 2 times angle EDA. Okay, angle at the center is double the angle at any point on the circumference of the circle. Okay, this we have calculated. EOA or AOE, one and same thing. Okay, so I have already told you, if you write AE here, that would look nice. AE, clearly it would be, you can understand from A and E. Okay, angle at the center, that is at O. From A and E chord, angle at any point on the circumference, that is that relation. Okay, means AE, it would look nice if you will write properly. Otherwise, if you will shuffle these two vertices, it will not affect your middle angle. So you can write here AOE. AOE we have calculated as 72 degree is equal to 2 times angle ADE. That means angle ADE is equal to 72 degree by 2, that is equal to 36 degree. First we have done. Okay, EDA or AED, one and same thing. You can write it EDA. These two you can interchange. It will not affect the measurement of D. Okay, next we need to calculate ADC. This one, ADC, this angle. ADC, this angle you need to calculate. How will you calculate this? See, this angle. I would like to draw it again. Okay, this angle is subtended by two chords. One portion is here, okay, and other portion is here. See, angle subtended by AB. AB means angle ADC. ADC. If I will join B and D, okay, then it will be equal to ADB plus angle BDC. BDC. This full angle can be written as sum of this plus this. Okay. See, जब आपने AB से यहाँ पे subtend किया है, what would be this measurement? AB से center पे करते हो तो वो कितना आना है? We have calculated AOB 72 degree. If it is 72 degree, means this much will be of 36 degree. Okay, with the same reason. Here you will write now angle ADC is equal to angle ADB plus angle BDC. Now angle angle AOE, sorry, here ADB and AOB. Angle AOB, okay, is equal to 2 times angle ADB. AOB we have calculated as 72 degree. Means 72 degree is equal to 2 times angle ADB. Means 72 degree by 2 ADB. Means ADB is equal to 36 degree. Similarly, you can see for this CD chord. If you will take this CD chord, okay, angle subtended by this CD chord at the center of the circle is COD is 72. Okay, B from the BC chord. Okay, angle subtended at the center of the circle. Okay, BOC is equal to 72 degree. और B और C से यहाँ पे D पे एंगल बना, that will be of 36 degree. Same result, same type of calculation. Okay. Similarly, angle BDC is equal to 36 degree. Therefore, angle ADC will be equal to 36 degree plus 36 degree is equal to 72 degree. Okay, we have calculated these two angles individually. Now put their values there, take their ratio. We need to find its ratio now. EDA is to angle ADC. EDA, what is EDA? We have calculated as 36 degree is to ADC is 72 degree, means 36 degree upon 72 degree it will be equal to 1/2. The ratio is 1:2. Hope this sum is clear to you. Every time, okay, here you again you will write this reason, same reason, this one. Okay, again here you will use the same reason to solve this sum. Because 3 times we have used the relationship between the angle at the center and angle at the remaining circumference of the circle. Okay, only this result we have used 3 times to get a result. Hope this sum is clear to you. See the next one. Seventh sum I am going to solve. Okay, 17b from the same exercise. See the seventh sum. They have given the figure. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Okay, A, B, C, D. These 3 chords are equal. ABE they have given by 132 degree. It's 132. 132 degree. Okay. Calculate, and the rest of the figure is this. Suppose here is O. If these 3 chords are equal, what we can conclude up to here before drawing the next figure? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Okay, that means angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD. Write the reason here. Angles subtended by the equal chords at center are equal. In the previous sum also you will give the reason. Angles subtended by same chords are equal. Okay, I think in first sum I haven't written the reason when I have written this, so must write the reason everywhere. Angles subtended by same chords are equal. Angles subtended by equal chords at the center of the circle are equal. Okay, see one relation. ये तो हमने कर दिया. ठीक है, ये अगर 3 chords equal हैं, A, B, C, D, ये तीनों equal हैं. ठीक है, तो ये हमें पता चल गया इन तीनों ने सेंटर पे सेम एंगल बनाए, मीन्स ये तीनों एंगल्स भी सेम है. अब देखो इन तीनों chords से जो on the circumference, on the remaining circumference of the circle पे जो एंगल बनाओगे उस पे क्या इफेक्ट जाएगा. ठीक है, ये देखो. Suppose this is 2x, this will be also 2x, this will also be 2x. Suppose इस सम से रिलेटेड नहीं जनरल बताने जा रहे क्योंकि इस सम में ये ऐसा रिजल्ट हमें यूज करना है. Suppose ये भी 2x है, ये भी 2x है, ये भी 2x है. Okay, draw it separately. AB chord which is making an angle of 2x with the center. Okay, so what would be the angle at the circumference? It will be x na, half of this. Okay, so when we take the other chord AB, if it is making an angle of 2x at the center, how much angle it will make at the circumference x. Take the third equal chord. CD, we know that it's also making an angle of 2x at the center of the circle. Okay, on the circumference it will make x. Okay, means what can you conclude? Equal chords are making equal angles at the center of the circle as well as on the circumference of the circle. This will also be same. These x. उसी कोड को यूज करके सेंटर पे बनाया. ठीक है, अगर ये तीनों इक्वल है, ठीक है, इन कोड्स से जो यहाँ पे सेंटर पे बनेगा वो भी तीनों के तीनों इक्वल होंगे. ओके, सो यहीं से देख लो ये टोटल कितना बन गया 6x और यहाँ पे x ये टोटल कितना बन गया 3x. इन टोटल भी वो कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है. ठीक है, सेम पॉइंट पे अगर इसको देखते हो तो तीनों को कंबाइन करके सेम पॉइंट पे अगर ये सेम ठीक है पॉइंट पे अगर वो जो आपके सर्कमफ्रेंस पे जो पॉइंट है ठीक है वो सेम है तो तीनों ये सेम ही हो जाने. ठीक है, वैसे भी सेम ही हो जाने अगर अलग अलग भी होते बट तीनों को ऐड करके देखो तो भी हमारी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती. ओके, सो सी दिस रिजल्ट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज हियर. So this is AE they have given and they have joined E and D also, and here is OC and OD is joined. What would be OC and OD? Both are the radii of the same circle. What you need to calculate first angle AEB, second AED, third COD. Okay, AED it will be and AEB and AED. Okay, how can you calculate this? AEB is there, AEB, yes, and AED. Okay, so this angle and this is not the quadrilateral. Okay, so I need to find the angle at the center so that we can find AEB. Here this angle is given. This angle is given. AEB, AEBC, and these three will be equal. Okay, these three will be equal. See, angle subtract means angle because AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Therefore, ये जैसे मैं पहले आपको एक्सप्लेन करके रखेंगे. ठीक है, मीन्स ये तीनों कोड सेंटर पे सेम एंगल बनाएंगी. ठीक है, अगर ये सेंटर पे सेम एंगल बनाती है तो सेम पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कमफ्रेंस पे भी इन तीनों ने सेम ही एंगल बनाना है. मीन्स AEB will be equal to BEC is equal to CED. पहले मैंने 2x वाली एग्जांपल ली ना. सपोज ये तीनों 2x बनाते हैं. ठीक है, इन तीनों से जो यहाँ पे बनेगा वो x ही होगा. ठीक है, वो तो जनरल मैंने 2x ले लिया था. यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या वैल्यू आती है. ओके, दैट मीन्स एंगल AEB will be equal to angle BEC will be equal to angle CED. So AED निकालना है वो तो तीनों का सम हो जाएगा. ओके, so see here these three chords are equal. दिस थ्री आर इक्वल. ओके, सो एक ही पॉइंट है यहाँ पे सर्कमफ्रेंस पे जिससे हमने इसका रिलेशन देख लिया. ठीक है, मीन्स ये तीनों एंगल्स भी सेम ही होने हैं. ओके, सो कैन वी टेक वन, can we convert it into quadrilateral so that I can use opposite angles, so that this can be used as opposite angles. This is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is five-sided figure. This is five-sided figure. So we will have to do a construction over there. If you will join E and C, join E and C, this one, leave this one. Okay, you will see we will need to do the construction over here so that I can use this angle to get this much. Okay, so construction, join E and C. Then what will happen? A, B, C, E will be a cyclic quadrilateral, and we know that in the cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary. Okay, that means angle AEC, okay, plus AEC plus this 132 degree is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, because opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary with that reason. Okay, so angle AEC will be equal to 180 degree minus 132 degree. 180 minus 130, 50, 50 minus 2, 40 here. AEC is equal to 48 degree. Okay, so this is 48 degree. Okay, so what would be AOC? And this we know that all these angles are equal. All these angles are equal. So AEC can be written as AEB plus BEC. This angle we have calculated as 48 degree. Na? So this can be separated as AEB plus angle EBEC is equal to 48. For BEC can we write AEB because both are equal. AEB plus angle AEB is equal to 48 degree. That means 2 angle AEB is equal to 48 degree. That means angle AEB is equal to 48 degree by 2. That means 24 degree. Okay, 24 degree. This we have calculated. 24 degree AEB. First we have calculated. Hope this is clear to you. Okay, ये काफी important है. See, अगर equal chord से सेंटर पे इक्वल एंगल से स्टैंड हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियस है वो रिलेशन जब आप अप्लाई करोगे, एंगल एट द रिमेनिंग सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल इज हाफ ऑफ द एंगल एट द सेंटर of the circle, or you can say that angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at any point on the remaining circumference of the circle. Both are having same sense. Okay, if these angles are equal, then these three angles will also be same. Okay, so AED, it will be equal to AEC plus ECD. We know that ECD, sorry, here is angle. Okay, AEC we have calculated, na, means all these are AEB calculated as 24, means this is also 24, this is also 24, right here. I would take it as equation number 1, use this value in 1, use in 1, then you will have AEB is equal to angle BEC is equal to angle CED, all are of 24 degree. Okay, so we have calculated this one. Okay, next we need to calculate angle AED. AED CED. Can we write it AEC plus CED? AEC plus angle CED. Okay, so AEC we have calculated as 48. Angle AED will be equal to 48. You can take it as equation number 2. Okay, by using 2, that here using 2 and CED here by 3. Okay, plus 24. It will be equal to AED will be equal to 72 degree. Okay, AED is equal to 72 degree. Okay, so what this is 72 degree. This we have calculated. What is left there? COD. CD से सेंटर पे जो एंगल बने, CD से जो सर्कमफ्रेंस पे बने, दोनों का रिलेशन देखो. नाउ फॉर द थर्ड पार्ट, ठीक है, एंगल COD, this at the center and from the C and D, this as the at the remaining circumference of the circle. Here is E. That means COD will be equal to 2 times CED. Same reason. Angle at the center double the angle at the remaining circumference of a circle. So this we have calculated as 24, means angle COD is equal to 2 into 24, that means 48 degree. COD is 48 degree. Okay, this is 48 degree. Okay, so what this was the main result. This from this only. Okay, if one you have calculated, means other two are also similar. By adding first two, we have got the second result. By adding these three, okay, by combining these parts according to the question, we got our result. Okay, only the focus was here to calculate the one of this part. Okay, hope this sum is clear to you. So I hope whatever I have explained today, that all is clear to you. If there is any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video.